Hey, what's going on, guys? Todo Tech here. Welcome back to another PC build part list review video. So the price point for this video is $1,400, but I was able to save 96 cents. So if you guys want to put that 96 cents to something that you could use it for, you guys can go ahead and do so. But anyways, guys, let's get right into the video. If you guys do enjoy at any point, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I promise you guys, you won't regret subscribing. Also, remember that the link to the parts are in the description below. But anyways, guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, for the power supply, I decided to go with the Thermaltake Smart 600 watt ATX 12 volt power supply. This is an 80 plus certified active PFC power supply, guys. Guys, I just gotta say, I really like Thermaltake's Smart power supplies. I'm actually using one. I actually have two more that I never really used, so I definitely do recommend them. So for the fan, I decided to go with the Arctic F12 PWM. This is a 120mm fan. It is silent, and its speed kind of ranges from 230 to 1,350. And for the liquid cooler, I decided to go with the Enermax LickMax 3. It's a 3-fan liquid cooler. Each of the fans are 120mm, and this supports both Intel and AMD. It's 300 watts plus for TBD or TDP cooling. And for the graphics card, I went with the XFX RX 5700 XT Thick 3. So this is an 8GB graphics card. It boosts up to 2025 MHz, and it's GDDR6, and it has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. And for the processor, I decided to go with the Intel Core i7 9700. I tried to push it to a 9700K, but I couldn't because of budget wise. And for the RAM, I went with the Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z DDR4 16GB kit. This is rated at 3200 MHz. And for the motherboard, I decided to go with the Gigabyte B365M DS3H. So I did have this in the last build, and this is pretty much the best one I could find for its price. And for storage, I went with the Seagate Barracuda 2TB hard drive. This is rated at 7,200 RPM. And for the case, I went with the Cooler Master Masterbox TD500 mesh. This is great airflow, and it has tempered glass on the side. It has 3 RGB fans in the front with a controller. So guys, I plan on reviewing this case and some others, because I'm going to start ordering cases and reviewing them for you guys. I just don't know what I'm going to do with them after. So if you guys understand what I mean. So yeah. And finally, for the SSD, I decided to go with the M.2, and this does save that extra SATA cable in case you want to upgrade to another hard drive or add a second hard drive. So I went with the Samsung 970 EVO SSD at 500GB. This is more than enough for your Windows and some programs. And ending off with that, guys, the price point came out to $1,399.04. So we were about 96 cents under budget. So if you guys try to find something that could use that 96 cents, I suggest you do it. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up for this video. If you guys did enjoy at any point, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, remember that the link to these parts are in the description below. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day. Goodbye, folks.